Hey, hello everybody, it's me Cyber and welcome back to another malware video. And in today's video, we will take a look at my dangerous VBScript called Sepsis. And yeah, you heard that right. It's coded in Visual Basic script. After going through learning basics, reading documentations and tough debugging, I managed to create a really interesting project. This script is compatible only with Windows 11. It can interact with Windows features and of course it contains malicious code. Among the malicious payloads are file encoding, unwanted system modifications, overwriting and other terrible features that can make the device unusable. There is even one very special payload which can actually transfer some data to remote server, so you better watch the video till the end, because unlike the previous script called Immortal, Sepsis is way more dangerous and it has its own unique payloads. Just a quick interruption. If you found my content interesting and you don't want to miss future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I spent many hours working on these videos. Thank you very much. Yo guys, so here we are on Windows 11 with the very destructive and dangerous VBScript called Sepsis. Well, before we get into the testing, I would like to show you something really interesting, about this file, and that is, of course, the size of this thing, which is over 9 megabytes. Yeah, I know guys, it's enormous and it is insane. I know, I'm really aware of that. Well, you may be thinking, hey Cyber Soldier, this is weird, like how can a script file can be that large? Like that's not possible. This is some kind of joke, right? Well, not really guys, it is actually possible. Alright guys, so here you can see the, code that I wrote by my hands, of course. Like, yeah, nothing really special about this. But when we scroll just a little bit, then you will stumble upon these like weird strings, and from your perspective guys, it might look like some garbage data, but actually behind all of these strings there are resources. Yes guys, you heard it right, resources. I will not really get into this, I just wanted to tell you that it is possible. If you actually want to get more information, I will just explain everything on my GitHub page, so yeah, just wait for my GitHub page. Without further ado, let's get into the script and see what will happen to this poor device. Yeah, nothing seems to be happening, but in the background it actually installed a bunch of resources and made some settings, so the script can work properly. And of course it restarted the computer, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm getting so thirsty guys. Oh my god, I'm talking too much. Yeah guys, what a amazing background music, by the way. We have got some like text file, but I'm not really interested in this right now. And we also got this, main menu thing, and something is restarting. Yeah, that was the Explorer, of course. And yeah guys, so this is what happens when you execute the Sepsis.vbs on the Windows 11. I'm pretty sure that you did not expect this. Like, it changed our background to this color, and it even changed our system sounds. So let me actually introduce to you those system sounds. Guys, let's take a listen. Oh yeah, I absolutely love these. Yeah, ding dong man, ding dong. I know guys, I know that everybody is interested in those levels, I know guys. I promise you that we will get into those levels later, but before, let me actually introduce you some really interesting stuff that you would not know about. So first of all, let's talk about this wallpaper. Well, here's the question, can we actually change it? Let's actually try it, and let's bring back this beautiful, this gorgeous wallpaper. So let's actually try that, and as you can see it works fine, just for a while. But after a couple of seconds, it will bring back this basic background, this Windows 98 background. We can just change the wallpaper to whatever we want to. Another thing which should be mentioned in this video is the base folder of this script. We will navigate to this folder just like that. It is actually not working. That's because a regular file explorer cannot actually get into this location. That's because it is located in the fonts folder. The only way to actually get into that location is by cmd command, of course. So let me actually execute the cmd. Well, I'm actually trying, but yeah, fortunately it is working right now. Yeah, finally. Alright, so let's paste it. Oh wait, I'm sorry guys, yeah, we have to actually first do this. Actually write this command and put this file path into those quotes. And yes guys, as you can see, we got into this folder just with this cmd prompt. However, if you do the same thing inside of Windows Explorer, just like that, then as you can see it is not working. You know, we cannot get into that folder by just File Explorer. So that's how it works. That's actually the old exploit, one of the old exploits that actually works still on modern version of Windows. So this is very strange base folder, of course. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Alright, so that have been set, and now we can actually move to this basic main menu looking, you know, thing. There is like one Easter egg in this main menu, and to actually trigger this, we have to refresh this main menu multiple times. So let's actually do that. Let's see what will happen. Come on, come on. Let's trigger that payload. Jesus Christ, why is it taking so long? Oh yeah, finally. So we should not move a thing, which means that we should not press a button on keyboard and we should not even move with the mouse. So let's actually wait for a while. Yeah guys, so we've got bubbles and really charming background music. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful payload. It's so simple, but it's beautiful, in my opinion. Alright, so this was just the Easter egg in this main menu thing. So we can close that and actually move to the level soft. Oh my god. Like, are you serious right now? Oh my god, it will happen again. Alright, let's wait for a while. Yeah, I'm not interested in this right now, thank you very much. We have to first start with the level soft, of course, because that's the only level which is obviously unlocked for us. So let's actually get into this level. By the way, this level is very, how to say it, it's really basic, you know, it's super...
Welcome to the level soft.
Yeah.
Did you know that VBScript provides text-to-speech? It's called SAPI.
Oh, really?
This feature will appear in some other levels as well.
That's very interesting, guys.
Okay, without further ado, let's move to next payload.
Oh yeah, in VBScript you can use text-to-speech, if you didn't know about that. Alright, so what actually happened in this payload? Well, as you can see, a bunch of our files have been renamed, you know, as you can see, except these, of course. Even my wallpaper has been renamed. Wow, what a interesting payload, right? Alright, so now these files are set to hidden. Well, we can see them. We can see them because, you know, I enabled this option. We can actually disable it just to see if it actually works. Wait, what am I actually typing? What am I doing? What is wrong with me? I would like to search for File Explorer, right? That's the thing that we want to actually take a look at. So yeah, let's actually just disable this. And as you can see, well, you can't see those files on the desktop right now. Well, that's because, well, they are hidden, right? So let's bring my settings back. Yeah, I think this is the last payload, and as you can see, all of the files ended up in this folder. Yeah, as you can see, that's probably it. Yeah, that's pretty much it from this level. Congratulations, Cyber Soldier, you passed the level soft. Click on the OK button to return to the main menu. Alright guys, so that was it. That was the... Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, and as you can see, we've unlocked the level basics. So yeah, without further ado, I think we can take a look at this level. Let me tell you guys, this level is slightly malicious because it can, you know, block some certain things, and yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So our registry editor, for example, is disabled, and even our command prompt has been disabled. System apps such as Task Manager, Registry Editor, Task Scheduler, yeah guys, even Task Scheduler is not accessible, and a command prompt have been disabled. I think you are cooked. Yeah guys, we are definitely cooked. Like, let's actually access the Task Manager. As you can see, oh my god, there is no Task Manager. Oh no, what do we do, guys? Let's actually take a look at the MMC, which contains the Task Scheduler. And as you can see, nothing really happened, you know, so yeah. Alright, try to launch these funny little scripts, you will not regret it. Alright guys, so yeah, let's actually run one of these. Let's take a look at this file. Let's actually... Oh, you can escape from me. Oh no. Oh no, guys, we are cooked. But as you can see, not even Alt F4 can help me with that. So yeah, I don't really think that we can fix this. Alright, so I will leave those message boxes. I will leave them in this corner. Just for the performance, I would like to get rid of these files because, as you can see, we got over 1000 files, you know, on our desktop, which it's pretty large amount of files, not gonna lie. Oh no, what happened? Oh, it seems that something happened to the wallpaper. Alright, so yeah, that was a really... Hey, why my sounds are a little bit delayed? That's so strange. Alright, so let's get into another payload. Yeah, this will take a while. For this payload, we should be connected to the internet. Fortunately, I am connected to the internet. Yeah, I'm very crazy that I'm connected to the internet while running this file, but hey, I'm the creator of this thing, so I'm really aware of like all of the destructive
Your
payloads
little
and
web browsers
functionality.
are useless now. Many features won't work anymore.
Alright.
By the way, I have forbidden visiting all websites.
I would like
At
to...
least you can get more knowledge about VBScript. That is
Alright.
actually the only remaining website that you can visit.
Okay, I
Have
got
fun
it.
with reading all of that shit.
I got
bro.
it. Hey. Don't call me a little, bro. I'm not little. Alright, so actually what happened, guys? Well, as you can see clearly, it blocked some pages. And the only page that we can visit is this VBScript article on Wikipedia. Well, if we, for example, try to go to the home page, well, yeah, it will bring us to this article once again, and even if we try to, let's say, create a new window, it will do the same thing. Thing is blocked. What does it actually mean? I'm not really sure. And guys, what actually happened to the? All right, what actually happened to the Microsoft Edge? Excuse me, can you please stop doing that thing? What actually happened? No, it seems that it will not stop. Alright, so we passed level basic and now we can actually move to the level malicious, but guys, I would like to show you, what happened to the Microsoft Edge, but it seems that something went horribly wrong with this web browser, man. This is the reason why Microsoft Edge is so fucking... It is not popular, Why? That's the reason why people hate Microsoft Edge. Like, no wonder why. Alright, finally we can actually get into the Microsoft Edge. That's unbelievable. Well, as you can see, all of the web pages are blocked, and even, for example, youtube.com, even this page is blocked, and surprisingly enough, even the google.com is actually blocked. So the only website that we can visit is going to be the VBScript article. Yeah, the article about VBScript. Yeah, just like that, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, so that was a level basic. And now let's actually jump into the level malicious, which is going to be actually malicious. This level is actually a malicious. This level, guys, this level will actually surprise you. Like, I'm not even joking. Busy payload, be patient. This operation might take a while, so don't turn off your computer. Okay, guys, so yeah. Guys, did you hear that? Did you hear the sound, man? Did you hear the old sound, man? I missed those sounds, man. Luckily, we can have them with this script. That's crazy, guys. Oh, wait, what actually happened? No, man, I interrupted that message. Yeah, as you can see, the desktop.ini has been locked. Well, that's very strange. Alright, guys. Yeah, well, this is not a good sign, especially if this happens, by itself. That is definitely not a good sign, Okay, guys, I have to take a sip, man, because I'm so thirsty. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oops, your pictures, videos, documents, music and other files have been locked. The only way of getting them back is to type a valid key. This is the last chance. If you type a wrong key, your files will be lost forever. Oh no, guys, this doesn't sound really good. Oh no, look at our files. Oh no, guys, I lost my VBScript files, my really important files, as you can see. Yeah, even files over here, like, yeah, oh no. I even lost the wallpaper, guys. No, guys, we are actually cooked. Well, even our installer is gone, as you can see. And yeah, let's actually take a look at those files. Let's see how they look, inside. There are a bunch of letters, there are a bunch of, strings. Those files are actually encoded. They are not encrypted, as most of you would think. They are actually encoded. Well, which means that they are actually translated to a different file format, which Windows cannot, really use. And yeah, let's actually, guys, try to fix it by just, fixing this file extension, because, it looks like it will work fine. Well, unfortunately, no. The file is corrupted. From the Windows perspective, the file is corrupted, and yeah, we cannot really run that. I don't really remember the key, so yeah, I might be cooked. Yeah. exactly. The inserted key is not valid. Your files will be locked forever. Oh no, guys, yeah, we are cooked. All those files are gone, and there's nothing we can do. Yeah, guys, so with that in mind, let's move to the next payload. Yet again, this is another busy payload, so we should be patient, alright? Okay, let's wait for a while. Guys, by the way, how is going? How is going? How is your day? Like, are you happy? I don't know. Are you happy with your life? Did you get good grades? I'm really good at small talks. Level malicious. A lot of applications have been blocked. You can uninstall them because at this point they are useful as a man's nipples. Well, alright. That sounds weird, but let's actually take a look at those files. Let's try to open the Microsoft Edge and see what will. Oh no. Yeah, this doesn't look really good, you know, for Microsoft Edge. Not even this application works, as you can see, but the application is not corrupted, you know, like physically it is not corrupted, and I don't like the cursor. Yeah, oops. So I think we will face with the restart. Alright, we passed the level malicious, awesome. Oh no, well, something changed, as you can see. Like, all of these fonts have been changed to like this. My cursor also looks different. It's a little cute VBScript file. And oh my god, what the hell is this window supposed to mean? This is a bunch of garbage. Let's actually try to open the Firefox Mozilla. Well, I cannot really use the, you know, those shortcuts on my taskbar because they have been encrypted as well. So yeah, let's actually try to launch the Firefox.exe. Well, as you can see, the same thing happens. It is just showing us a bunch of like weird characters, and that's because it is actually trying to open the application via Notepad, and this is exactly what is happening. Like, yeah, it is not actually working, you know. So that have been said about the level malicious. And now let's take a look at the level harsh, which is also very interesting level. You will see why. Your personal information has been leaked. Say goodbye to your privacy on your computer. So what actually happened, guys? So as you can see, we've got a bunch of files over here, and this is actually the FTP server. So all of these files, as you can see right now, they have been sent to the remote FTP server. So now everybody who has access to this FTP server has access to all of our data, such as data like these and information like these, as you can see right there. Yeah, guys, so, you know, this script contains a stealer, and that's how it works. Alright, yeah, something have been changed, but yeah, I know what actually happened, but let's pretend that I have no idea what happened. Alright, let's wait for a while and see what this script will tell us. Hello? Can you print something, at least? Oh, I added some cool applications into your strip menu thing. Now you can access my applications easily. Who wouldn't want that? Just right click on your desktop. Smiley face. Well, strip menu stands for context menu. Some people call it context menu, some people call it strip menu. I decided to call it strip menu. Well, as you can see, we've got a bunch of like weird shortcuts over here. And even like this menu is, as you can see, has been changed to the default one, you know? We don't have that Windows 11 one. This is the old strip menu, by the way. Oh my god, and well, as you can see, some colors have been changed as well, and it is opening our system settings for some goddamn reason. Alright, our background is black. That's pretty depressing, not gonna lie. Oh my god, look at this. Look at these colors, man. Look at these colors. Oh no, this doesn't look really cool. From the beginning I wanted to say that these system colors are fucking ugly. Little did you know, I can change them as well. And we passed level harsh. Okay. Oh my god, but this hurts my eyes, man. It hurts to look at that. Oh, and this menu looks goddamn cool. Look at this menu, guys. Look at this. Look how cool it looks. This is absolutely cool as hell. Alright, guys. So, yeah, a lot of colors have been changed, and it even affected colors in, you know, basically across the entire computer. Hey guys, I wanted to mention one thing about that system settings. When we try to open it, as you can see, it is not working, and instead it opened this untitled document. And by the way, little did you know that the Ctrl-Alt-Delete on this computer doesn't work either. And let's actually try to access, just for the test, to do Windows Defender, and same thing happens if we cannot actually do it. So not even Windows Defender will help us at this point. I will just make a backup backup of this state, and I will tell you why. The two last levels are malicious, and not malicious like level malicious, but they are even destructive, which means that once we decide to enter the level insane, then, you know, the windows will be unusable and we will not be able to get back to this main menu. So that's the reason for those backups. That's the reason why I made the backup. And of course, the level septic is very destructive as well. So if we went to the level septic, we wouldn't be able to go to the level insane. I hope it makes sense. All right. And right now I would like to take a look at the level insane. So let's actually access that. Alright, so this is a busy payload, we should be patient as well, right? Okay guys, I cannot believe that shit, it took like 5 minutes to finish this payload. And it says that all of your icons are messed up, this is insane. Alright, so yeah, let's actually take a look at that, and as you can see, a bunch of icons have been, you know, set to the VBScript icon. And the same thing happened to all of these directories, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's what happened. Alright, so we've got another busy payload, but from my knowledge, this payload will not take a while, you know. So yeah, this will take just like 1 minute, I guess. Like, so far this level is not that destructive, but oh, that's a long dialog box. All right, so it immediately restarted our computer, and something is about to happen. Oh my god, my eyes. Oh my god, my eyes. They hurt, bro. It's like a flashbang. Alright, so it tried to get access to some account, but as you can see, it didn't, because we don't have password for that. And the profile picture has been also like changed to this VBScript file. Yeah, and the text and everything is just so messed up in this menu, as you can see. There are many accounts. Yeah, this payload reminds you probably of No Escape. I know, I was inspired by No Escape. I find this idea really interesting. Like, it's super cool. Like, this payload is absolutely cool. Like, yeah, look at that. It's so mysterious. Look at all of these, like, yeah, cursed user account names. Alright, so the only account that we have access to is obviously ours account. Alright, so a bunch of CMDs are opening. That's totally normal. Alright, so we are getting a bunch of gibberish message boxes with all of these noises, of course. Yeah, and even our recycle bin icon has been changed to the VBScript, along with other icons as well, such as this computer and network has also different icon. So what is actually happening? Well, to see that, we need to navigate to this PC and check our disk space. You will see why I'm checking my disk space. Yeah, it will take a few minutes. Oh yeah, as you can see, one file appeared over here. Oh, what happened to my desktop? Oh, did you see that? What actually happened? Oh, well, oh my god, yeah. Look at these files, man. Look at these. Look at the disk space. Look at the disk space. Look at the available space right now. Yeah. Alright, guys, yeah. The system performance are absolutely terrible. Let's actually restart our computer, because this is getting a little bit more insane. By the way, after restart, it will happen again. So it doesn't really matter how many times you will restart a computer. It doesn't really matter, you know. You are cooked at this point. Like, look at this. Look at my screen. It's black. Look at this message box. Look how glitchy it looks. Yeah, it is struggling to even like show this message box. That's so messed up. Some delay. Oh yeah, yeah, you are pretty late for this startup sound, not gonna lie. It took you like 2 minutes. I'm trying to, like, you know, control it, but as you can see, it is not really oops. It's a bit glitchy. Yeah, it's a definitely a bit glitchy, as you can see. It is just malfunctioning. Look at this. Everything is malfunctioning. Oh no. Yeah, guys, so this is everything about the level insane, and it will just do this every time I get into the desktop, you know. And oh my god, yeah, the computer is having seizure right now. Alright, guys, so we are back, and now it's time to launch level septic. And this is the most crazy level that we can run. Let's actually go into that. Yeah, I'm actually speechless. All right, so our screen resolution has been changed to this low quality one. Oh, the background. Jesus Christ. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't really care. So the first thing that you can notice is the taskbar. Yeah, guys, so the taskbar is infected. It's more difficult than you actually think, you know, to make even this happen, because I had to, you know, try some workarounds, you know, because you usually cannot just add items to this taskbar. It's not that easy, you know, but I managed to do it eventually. Well, yeah, this is the lava septic, guys. Look at this. Look at all of my icons. Look at all of my files. Look at what is happening. Look at my background. Like, something is off. Oh, can I change the resolution, please? Oops, well, not from this menu, obviously. Let's move to the settings. Can we actually move to the... Oh, I forgot that we can't. Oh yeah. Look how glitchy it is, by the way. Look how glitchy it is. Yeah, everything is so messed up, as you can see. Oh my god, what the hell? So weird. Yeah, yeah, that's it. I think my computer is totally unusable right now. At this point, I cannot even, like, interact with my desktop. Yeah, I can't do anything, yeah. I'm totally cooked. What the fuck is this? Wait, what the hell? Oh my god. Look at this shit. Look what is happening. Do you think that it is possible to recover from this shit? I don't really think so. Like, there's no way except reinstalling, you know. But yeah, this is over, guys. This is absolutely over. Alright, guys, so yeah, let's actually see what happens to the computer when we hit the restart button. Oh yeah, choose your keyboard layout, well, USA. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let's use this utility, this startup repair thing, which from my knowledge and from my experience, it never works. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that's a Sepsis.vbs, really destructive script, you know, and that's it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and write a comment. Thank you, and goodbye.